Hello everyone, I'm going to be doing my October 2018 Ipsy bag review try-on thingy. Am I very late? Yes. Do I care? Not really. I lost the card a long time ago, so we're not dealing with that today. Pretty cool bag. Like, it has like a masquerade mask on it, and like I'm garbage, so like it's fine. The first thing we got is this Laritzy Cosmetics lip gloss in the shade Aura. I really like it. It's kind of like clearish greenish yellow with like a pink sheen to it. It's very pretty. I can't wait to try it. We have this, we have this Nomad Stockholm Norksen. Is that the color? Stockholm. It's an eyeshadow. It's a high pigment velvety eyeshadow with cosmic pearls for illuminated color and magnetic look. And it's cruelty free and vegan. So you go, queens. It's a very pretty shade of blue. It does have a little bit of a shimmer to it with like little pink crystals in it, so that'll be fun to use. We got this Makeup Forever Ultra HD Invisible Cover Foundation sample. Looks like it might be a little dark for me, but I'll make it work. They're not cruelty free, so like it's already like not too hot for me, but we'll try it anyway. Got an incredible You Glow Girl highlighter in Cosmic Blur. It's an iridescent jelly. There seems like kind of like a hollow, not hollow, like a celestial-esque theme going. So this has like the cosmic pearls with the pink shimmer. This is like a Aura lip gloss with pink shimmer, and now we have this. So I think there must have been like a theme going on. Either that or this is just a really crazy coincidence. And my last thing is this Strawberry Peppermint K Voss lip balm. You know, this reminds me of like those icebreakers that are like fruity and minty. So yeah, we'll try these all tomorrow and I'll tell you whether or not they suck. I'm gonna like use this eyeshadow. I thought it was gonna be more like a cream eyeshadow, but it turns out to be more like powdery, so I'm just confused. So let's see how this goes. I'm not a professional, I'm probably doing this incorrectly, but you know what, like it's fine. Makeup is about expressing yourself. It's going on very pigmented, pretty well. I didn't get very much on the brush, so like it didn't go on very smoothly, but that's my fault. But I really like the color. Just kind of a blue. I can't really see the shimmer as much as I had hoped, but I'll do the whole eyes and then I'll go to my next product when I use it. So like, I just put the foundation on and it was a little dark for me, so I had to like put it all over my neck so I don't look like literal Donald Trump, but like, it's not really doing much for me. It's kind of just sitting there, like it looks fine, but like, I don't know why I would buy it. Like it doesn't do anything special, like, especially since Makeup Forever, like, I'm pretty sure they're pretty expensive. So like, I'm not too impressed, like it's fine. This highlighter is kind of whack, not in the sense that it's like bad, but like, I like it and it's kind of like nice and subtle. Like it's not as like wild as it looks in like the little jar thingy. But like also, it goes on a lot better than like a lot of other like, not powder. No, this is like one I got in my Ipsy bag. It's incredible. It's like a jelly type thing. Should I just say anything to the audience?
Oh, this is on cam. I'm not wearing makeup. I don't have the highlighter on.
We all have highlighter on. It's a lie.
Is it this?
Yeah. I think it looks nice and it like it's
why is it gel?
I told you it was gel.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
You can't prove that. You're not taking
I
video.
have it on video. But
Oh!
yeah, and like it blends with foundation better than the sticks. Like it doesn't mess it up.
So if you can't see, it's like jiggly.
It's muy jiggly. Me gusta. It has evolved. Anyway, I put on the chapstick and like I expected. Like, Rachel, have you had those like icebreakers where like one side is like fruity and the other side is like minty?
Yeah, I love that.
Yeah, like this chapstick is like strawberry peppermint and that's basically what it smells like. Like exactly. And I put the lip gloss on over it. I really like it because it gives like a pink sheen. So I'm liking this look so far. I'm gonna live through my life and see if it like melts off my face. I think things are holding up pretty well. I mean, the foundation is still like nothing special. It's like shiny and kind of like rubbing off a little bit. The eyeshadow's still going strong. I did put like other eyeshadow on top of it, so maybe I'm giving it like too good of a chance, but like it's fine. And I've like reapplied my lip stuff and I'm liking it. Like, it's all chill. It's decent. Life's kind of good, but not really. It's fine. This is my makeup after several hours and we're about to go to like a 3-hour choir rehearsal.
It's gonna be so fun.
Let's see if it survives. And you think that this makeup looks shiny? I put powder on 3 times. I'm not impressed by this foundation. I hate it. This is bad lighting, but this is what my makeup looks like after a day. I like the eyeshadow. The foundation sucks. Lip gloss was pretty good. I liked it. The lip balm I really liked too. And what's the other thing I got? The highlighter was fun. It didn't really last very well, but it was fun while it lasted. So thanks for watching, I guess. Get a life!